Here's our turkeys.
Everybody.
We're down in our little field with all our critters. And Candace is handing out good treats. And everybody wants some. Oh, and there's Leonard. That's Lord Leonard. Oh, everybody wants some of that corn. There's Leonard. Burr-ka-burr! Oh, we've got turkey and chicken calling in the same time. And standing right next to me is little Ruthie. Ruthie. She's just chewing and watching. And there's Bean. And over talking to Candace is Dell, our little boy. Everybody's happy. And this is why it's good to live in the country. Hey Candace, is it good to live in the country?
Good to live in the country.